everyone, Amanda here with Moses and Me Card Company. I know it's been a little while since I posted anything, but did want to just pop on and wish y'all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and let you know I do plan on doing my Christmas card kits this year. It's just been a little bit crazy for me, so it won't be until after the Christmas time that I actually show them to you, but they will be coming, so look out for them. But anyway, I did want to just pop in here and show you some gift tags that me and my sister created. I don't know if any of you are cross stitchers, but my sister is, and she got all these little cross stitch patterns from Etsy, and they're just the cutest little gift tags, and we just mounted them on some craft cardstock, and then on the back stamped Merry Christmas and to and from. And I just think they turned out so cute, and I just wanted to share them with you guys. And if you have any people that like to cross stitch and do this kind of thing, it was just kind of a fun, very short little project. And you can see on some of them I actually put some pattern paper on the bottom and used some Love from Lizzie peel-offs, and just kind of decorated them in different ways to adorn my packages. But you can see she's got little snowmen, little Christmas trees. We use some of the peel-offs from Tim Holtz to decorate them in the bottoms. I really like the Christmas trees. I think they're so festive. And this really festive pattern paper is from Queen & Company. Let's see if I can tell you what it is. It is their Heartfelt Holiday that I just kind of very simply put on the back of these, or on the bottom of these tags, so that you guys can see them. But you can see here, here's one of the Tim Holtz little rub-offs at the bottom, and of course all of them have the same stamping on the back, and just some twine that I've collected over the years. But this just turned out to be, I think, such a cute little idea. And if you need like kind of a, it's not a quick project, but if you just want like a project you can kind of be done with and have a ton of little cards to show for, this is a great one for you. And like you see the snowman, she's got snowman, she's got Christmas trees. Let me zoom out just a little bit here so you can see some more. My desk is a mess, you'll have to forgive me. We've got little dinosaurs. Aren't the little dinosaurs cute? I just really liked them. But yeah, so if you guys have any questions about this, just let me know. If you want to know where she got them, they were on Etsy, but I can ask her like what exactly the shop was that she got them from. There you have it. So there are my Christmas tags for this year, and I am just super excited about them, and we'll be posting more here shortly so that you can see what we did with our Christmas card kits. And just hoping you guys have a Merry Christmas and a happy 2023, and I look forward to crafting and chatting with you in the new year. Talk at you guys soon. Bye-bye.